welcome back to my vlog. So for today's video guys, I'm going to make the famous chicken inasal in the Philippines. So for the ingredients, we're gonna need soy sauce, chicken fat. We're gonna melt this fat guys to make a oil to garnish the chicken later when we're gonna barbecue. And also we're gonna need anato or a sweaty powder, or you can also use seeds of anato or aswete, salt, vinegar, sugar, water, and I have here the garlic, onions, ginger, and lemongrass. And also we gonna need the chicken legs. So I have here the 3 chicken legs. So what we're gonna do first is we are going to mix all the ingredients, and then we gonna marinate or brine the chicken before we cook it. So let's do it. Now I'm going to make the anato oil. So we are going to melt the chicken fat that I have here, and I put a little bit of oil in the pot. It's gonna give more flavor to the chicken and some color, and also we can put on our rice later, just like in Mang Inasal, right? The oil is hot, I think, and so I can now put the chicken fat. We're gonna have to melt it first before we put the anato powder. There you go. And we are going to add the anato powder. So next step, we are going to bake the chicken for 20 minutes, 350 Fahrenheit. And I'm going to put some of the juice. You can also grill it right away if you wish, but it's better if you want it to cook evenly, you're gonna bake it first. So I'm going to bake it first before I'm going to grill them. So I'm just going to put some of that oil. Anyway guys, hindi kompleto ang Mang Inasal natin kung walang sour soup. So, gagawa tayo ng ating Mang Inasal version ng sour soup. So, ayan guys, I just put water. It's about 1 cup of water. So, we are going to boil that with this tomato and onion. And also, I'm going to put a sour soup seasoning, or yeah, you can buy this. Yeah, I use this Sinigang seasoning. So we're just gonna put this and we are going to boil.
I give you my heart.